Hi all, welcome to Journey with Samana, and this is your Samana, and I'm really sorry for being a little absent and not being there. And again, I'm sorry for the kind of mess I am in right now. So please excuse all that. But I thought this is really important that I shoot this message to all of you because this is a really pressing issue and it's killing me from inside. So I think I can channelize it. This is the best way to channelize it. So from my childhood, I have been brought up by my maternal parents, grandma, grandpa, maternal uncles, masi. My mom and dad are together, very much together, but they live differently. But I have been brought up by maternal parents. Now all of them are gone. They have passed away. It's just me and my masi, and I have been the what do I call it, front runner of the family for a very long time. So right now we are in middle of house hunting, and there are some pressing issues which are really killing me. So I don't know whether you know or not. Durgapur, this is my hometown, was number one place to come under the smart city list. I don't know what is the so smart about it. Yeah, they got an airport, but what are the mentality of people? Uh, People see me driving a car, they think I'm into some bad business. Um, so post lockdown, the whole lockdown, I was here, and I know people ask questions. Ki, how are you running the house? First of all, you are nobody to ask me these questions, and this applies to all of you all because you are not answerable to anyone, any person about their life, about your lifestyle, or anything. Second, I'm a model by profession, which I'm very proud of. Not everyone can become a model, and there's no arrogance in it. It is the hardcore fact. A small town girl who went to Bombay without a single person, without knowing a single person, and make it big there is a pretty big deal from where I see it. I don't know what people think, but I think it's quite a big deal because honestly, I didn't know anyone, and I survived, and I survived the industry for. I'm still in the industry for last 15, 17 years. I have my reputation there. People here, they don't know what modeling is. Again, their problem. So, yeah, but my thing is, you are no one to judge me with what I wear, or what car I drive, or what lifestyle I live. It is my life. I have the entire command of my life and my lifestyle. From the very beginning, my life's funda has been be truthful to your family. That's it. घर पे कुछ मत छुपाओ, बाकी दुनिया गई तेल लेने. I don't care. I smoke, I drink, I do drugs, or whatever. Not that I do it, but whatever. First thing I do is inform my family because from my perspective, कोई घर पे जाके बोले कि I saw your girl, yeah, she's there or something. So it's better. I hate lying and I don't lie. So for any small thing to get it by lying is a strict no for me. So coming to the house hunting part, first of all, I don't understand why do you always need a male figure in the house? What is the symbolic importance of a male figure in the house? घर शिफ्ट करना, अरे लड़के नहीं है, वो करना, अरे लड़के नहीं है, अरे इनके घर में दो औरतें रहती हैं. So what is your problem if I pay my rent on time, I pay my bills on time? What is your problem? लड़के नहीं है, नहीं है. I don't think we need a guy figure in our life. I really don't think it's important. Second, why lie if I'm taking a house? Why lie? She's my mother. She's not my mother, dude. She's my masi. She's more than my mother. And I won't call her my mom. Why would I call her? She's not my mom. She's more than my mom. So, yeah, I'm sorry. I might come little agitated here because this has been going on for a very long time. So yesterday, this is actually nerve wracking. So when the whole deal was done, and I went to the place to keep some stuff. This lady from upstairs, she said, "What kind of people are you giving the house on rent?" Look at her. कुछ होएगा तो हम तो आपको क्या होगा? What are you indicating? Am मतलब I mean, I don't understand. क्या होगा? I'm a model. I'm proud of it. But I have the same respect for even a prostitute or even a sex worker because, dude, they are running their house and they're earning it because they must be having some kind of problems which you are not helping them with. So you are no one to judge or comment on it. आप उनका घर चला नहीं रहे हो तो आपको कोई हक नहीं बनता आप किसी के बारे में कुछ बोलो. पहले उनको देखो, जानो. अगर आपको actually lage, if you feel the bad, keep your distance. Nobody is telling you to go and get pally with them. No one. Just don't be near them. That's it. But don't disgrace or disrespect any work. Be it my maid, be it मतलब मेरी काम वाली से लेके मेरी स्पॉट वाली से लेके whoever it is. And I told you, I had the equal respect for even a sex worker, a prostitute, because they are earning their own money. Are you feeding them? No. Then you have no right to comment or judge on them. So, I'm sorry, I'm little angry, but this mentality needs to change. The small towns, how do you expect people from small town will reach that height if you still have this kind of mentality? This won't work. Just by calling it a smart city and getting an airport done and getting some big shows done and getting a mall there and getting a mall here and 2 fashion shows there, that doesn't make you a smart city at all. Your mentality is shown in this kind of thing. How is a girl afford? How does a girl afford? How can a girl afford an I-20 and live a lifestyle and go here and there and do everything on her own? Acha, where is her father? Why do you need to know where is my father? I am here. My papers are here. Deal with it. My Mausa has gone for some work outside. He's absconding, man. I'm telling on your face, he's absconding. He left because he couldn't bear the expenses of MRC's healthcare. So he just left. I have no shame in it saying because I know we have done nothing wrong. And I'm proud enough to take care of her. And thanks and with the blessings of all of you, still now I am surviving and I am being able to take care of my people. So I humbly request people of small town, so-called smart cities, please be smart enough. Grow up from inside. Grow up your knowledge. Open your eyes. Open your mind. Because with this kind of mentality, it will lead you nowhere. अपना देखो, दूसरों के घर में क्या हो रहा है, उससे ताक झाक करने में आपको क्या हासिल होएगा? कुछ नहीं. So you better take care of your own house, own health, own figure. दूसरों का देख के jealous होके, जान जला के, खून जला के, or you're only creating problem for yourselves. I will be the way I am. I really don't care about what they're saying. But yeah, my Masi gets affected. She doesn't like it, and for her, I need to keep quiet at times. But high time, man, this is too much. People needs to change their mindset. Period. So today, this is just a message for all of you, and I know some will agree with me, and many will disagree. Who all will agree, please? Thanks to all of you in advance. And who all disagree, no offense, time will say. Just keep sipping your water. I'll see you soon. Thanks for joining Journey with Samana. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Journey with Model Samana. I'm so hereby. My Instagram ID @Model Samana official page, Facebook page the hashtag Model Samana official. Thank you so much, and thank you for bearing with me. And I know with your blessings and your love, these are small hurdles, but yeah, this teaches you a lesson. And this is a phase, everyone is going through a phase. This too shall pass. But yeah, people need to change. People need to change their mindset and mentality. Thanks. Thank you. I'll see you guys really soon. Love you all.